Hey Craft Champs! Let's dive into this Muddy's 3D wall frame, our enchanting Starry Night masterpiece, ready to hang. Grab your paints, brushes, and a dash of cosmic wonder. Rinse cup and paper towels too. Breathe deep, ignite that starry spark, and let the day's worries fade into the night. Ready? Let's paint the stars. Step 1. Use a flat brush to apply color number 0 to the outer frame. After the first layer is dry, use another coat to show more color. Wait for the paint to dry before proceeding to the next step. Step 2. Use a flat brush to apply color number 24 to paint the sky and the mountain. Step 3. Use a flat brush to apply color number 14 to paint the cypress trees, villages, and the base of the bushes. Step 4. Use a precision brush to apply colors number 2, number 10, and number 21 to trace and paint the stars and halo around the moon. Step 5. Use a precision brush to apply colors number 4, number 6, number 9, number 10, number 17, number 18, number 21, and number 24 to paint the stars and mountains to enhance color layers. Step 6. Take color number 21 with a precision brush to paint the bright side of the houses and trees. Use number 4, number 18, and number 24 to enrich color of trees and grass. Step 7. Use a precision brush to apply color number 9 to paint the doors of the houses, and use color number 10 to paint the light. Step 8. Use a precision brush to take color number 9 to outline the tree bulge, enriching the colors. Step 9. Use a precision brush to take color number 6 to outline the edges of the houses and trees. Cypress trees with dark parts of the bushes and cypress trees. Stellar job! Your Starry Night is a cosmic hit. Rinse brushes, dry flat, then hang it up or gift it. Tag #CraftHero and #Muddies to share the glow. Thanks for crafting. Catch you under the stars next time.